Maybe I'll call him one day. Ed here, RedBeard Knife and Tool. I got a couple things. I'm gonna open this one up first. Set this aside. Set this aside. I got a couple of very special things and then one surprise. This one, I'm guessing that these are bandsaw blades. I go through them quite often, so I bought a handful. So I have a handful of bandsaw blades. Now I have a box for trash. That's why I opened this one first. Let's set this right there. This one I got from the, of all things, the TikTok shop. This is a new knife that I seen, and I was like, oh, I think that I have a use for that. And this is, let me get it open. Let me get it open. So many things. All right. So it is a flipper box cutter. Check that out. And it's a little fidget thing. But yeah, it's supposedly really comfortable. It's got a couple different, it's got a half stop position. So if you're going to cut straight down and just kind of pull, or this one has got a button lock. So yeah, if you just push the button, closes, half stop. Yeah. I'm going to use this to open up the packages today. So with that said, this one is a, this is going to be a 52 Axe Patterns episode, and I'm very excited. I sent this to a good friend of mine, Sal at Bad Axe Solutions. Link in description. And yeah, Sal at Bad Axe Solutions. He restored this for me because I kind of want, on the second half of 52 Axe Patterns, I kind of want to showcase the work of others. Not only just myself, but Sal does really good work. Look at that. That packaging is just freaking gorgeous. And he sent me a card with all his information on it. He just, man, he's extremely thoughtful in how he packs his things. And I appreciate that a lot. So let me get this unwound so I can show you guys what's going on with this. I would normally keep this jute wrapping, but I don't need it. I have a lot. All right, I'm going to fast forward this. All right. So this is a chopper 1, right? And I had him, he's like, how do you want me to do it? I was like, do it like Bad Axe Solutions would do it. So it's a chopper 1. He replaced all the springs. I don't think he had to replace the pins, but he replaced the springs for the levers. And look at this. Isn't it just gorgeous? So this is a mechanical chopper. This will be one of the 52 Axe Patterns episodes. And I am freaking stoked. Thank you, Sal. This thing is sick. I love it. So let's move on. Yeah, it's a freaking cool piece, Sal. I appreciate it, dude. This is it's fan mail. I don't know. It says Ginger Rabbit Paper Crafts, and he is in Severance, Colorado. I'm going to thank you in advance, Ginger Rabbit. I appreciate it. But let's get into this. This is kind of cool. I think I remember him saying that he was sending me something. I don't know him. I don't think I do anyway. But I am thankful and excited all at the same time. I hope I didn't mess up this box or mess up what's in here. This looks like it's specially packaged. Nothing in here. See, this is packing. More packing. What is this? This is pretty unique. Oh, dude. This is freaking... I think I know who this is from. I think I know this is... I think I know who this is from. But I'm not sure. Ginger Rabbit. This is freaking cool. I think this is from Andrew. Andrew, is this from you? Please let me know. Anyway, dude, this thing is sick. Hang on. And there's a lot to it. There's a lot to unpack here with this axe. I think he showed this to me, and I was like, dude, this thing is sick. It's some type of craft trade hatchet, but it's got an extended pole. He really did a kick-ass job polishing the top. It's freaking gorgeous. So most trade hatchets, half hatchets like this, they have a longer beard and a shorter hammer pole. And I just noticed this is a really unique, and it's Kelly Axe Manufacturing Co. That's the stamp I collect. I am just speechless. It's freaking beautiful. The edge is gorgeous. Just the lines, the cleanup, the restoration it's perfect. It's perfect. Thank you. Whoever you are, chime in and shoot me a hint. Also, you guys let me know what you think of this. What kind of trade hatchet is this? It's not, it's long, it's got a longer blade, a longer pole than most half hatchets. It's not a half hatchet. I don't know what it is, but it's, dude, it's so cool. I am speechless. I got a chopper and this Kelly Axe Manufacturing Co. trade hatchet. Yeah, that's super neat. Super neat. All right. Last thing, and this is a very special. This is from my good friend Rusty. He's up in Vermont. Is it Vermont? New Hampshire? It'll say right here. He's in Vermont. Yeah. He's also, he has a eBay shop. So I will link his eBay shop in the description below. So if you guys want to check out the things that he has for sale, highly suggest it. And if you see something you like, shoot him a message and tell him RedBeard sent you. I'm sure he would appreciate it. He'd probably get a chuckle out of it. This. So I talked to him, not on eBay. I talked to him on Facebook quite a bit, and he sent me this thing here. He says, dude, this thing is super interesting. I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So we made a deal, and he sent it to me. And I've had this thing since Tuesday. And he messaged me today. He goes, are you going to open that thing up today? I was like, yep. Yep. As soon as I get home and taking care of the errands that I had to run today, I'm going to open it. So I'm trying to be really careful about how I open this thing because it is a beauty of an axe. Got my little thing here. I don't want to cut this handle Now, explain why. Come on, man. He's making me work for it, that's for sure. I think he did this on purpose. There's so much plastic wrap on this thing, it's pretty doggone ridiculous. It's a pain in the ass, is what it is. He's probably sitting in his lounge chair laughing at me right now. All right, I got it open. Look at that palm swell. Look at that. Can you tell me? Anybody got a clue? I'll give you 10 seconds. Shoot me a message. Shoot me a comment of what you think this is, judged by this palm swell. If you know, you know. All right, time's up. Here's another clue. It's got the original stamp on the handle. It's a Snow Neally boy's axe with the original handle. It says Snow Neally Company, Bangor, Maine, our best. Yeah, that is super, super sweet. And the head has some etching on it. I don't want to clean it up right now, but see if I can get some of the dirt off, just to kind of give you guys a clue. Check this out. On the top of the pole, it says October 1952, Snow Neally. I don't know, maybe this was some kind of a special edition, but it is a banger of a wedge, boy's wedge. Let's see, 2 3/4. It's got a 2 3/4 on the back. You can see that right there. Or maybe not. Let me flip it. Whoop! Knocking the camera around. Can you see that right there? 2 3/4. Yeah. Let's get a length on it. It is 27 inches for a 2 3/4 pound axe. I would say that's on par. And this handle is super sweet. This thing is good just like it is. It's got a metal wedge right there. So I might pop this wedge. It's got a little bit of shoulder. So I might pop this wedge and bring it down a little bit. Just to get a better sealing wedge in this thing. But man, I'll bet. Did you guys see that? It's just there. How cool is that? A complete boy's wedge pattern axe with the original handle, and it feels nice. It's hickory for sure. Pretty good grain orientation. Yeah. Thank you, Rusty. I appreciate you making this deal with me. I am super happy with it. So thank you. Thank you. This one's for me. Super cool, super cool. This KELLY Axe Manufacturing Co. trade hatchet is absolutely sick. And the Chopper 1, Sal from Bad Axe Solutions. great mail call. That's it. That's all I got. The best way to support my channel is to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Check out my 52 axe patterns down below. I got a really killer one coming this week, Thursday at 4 o'clock Central. Every Thursday at 4 o'clock Central. Come and see me. This week's going to be a cool one. I'm excited. Unique, and maybe some of you guys don't even know this pattern exists, because I didn't know until I started calling around. I was like, that's a cool name for a pattern. So, yeah, check out the link below. Go see, go catch up on 52 axe patterns. And yeah, I appreciate you hanging out, watching me open up my shop mail. But that's it. That's all I got. You guys have a good day.